Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up? What's good? How are you all doing today? You guys, I am so excited right now. I can't even, how do you say that in English? Quantify. I think it's quantify. Anyway, I'm so excited because I made a softbox. Yeah, that's what it's really about, the DIY of me making a softbox. So I've been wanting for a very long time. I want to like touch up my lights and set up in my videos, but because of ego now, and I've been saving, it has been kind of slow. But I just decided, why don't I make this light myself, like than waiting for the money to be complete and get this like get the lights. Let me start with this. Right now I'm not using the light. I have my window opened, so yeah, that's the source of light for this video. Well, I tried shooting the lights earlier today, but there was no lights. We had generator on and the sound was disturbing, so I just said, okay, I'll do it later tonight when they bring the lights. I'll do it tonight when they bring the lights. Okay, but I promised you guys I was going to upload the video today, Sunday, so I'm editing this video today. I've edited the second part of this video, which you'll see soon. Okay, this story is too much. Well, anyway guys, y'all should please just enjoy this video. This is like a family DIY because every single person in my house actually helped in the DIY. So yeah, let's get to the video. Many of you asked for this intro, like you've been asking Wisdom bring back this intro, so that's why I left that intro there. Okay, let's get to the video.
Good morning, my neighbor. How are you doing? Are you feeling okay?
Let's start with what you need for the video. You need an umbrella. You need a spray paint, a silver spray paint, or you can use a foil. You need light bulbs. Yes, you're making softbox. Glue. I used glue gum. Lamp holders, because I was using two bulbs, I needed two lamp holders, of course. Then a white fabric, basically to diffuse the light. So the first step is to cut the, what's it called, iron from the umbrella shower, and then spray it silver. So I don't think I needed to spray the umbrella, but because it was already silver, but I wanted to because I already had silver spray paint. So that you can also use like a box and shape it into the softbox shape, but I did not have time for that, so I just decided to use an umbrella, which went so well. Also, the umbrella I found it's not an umbrella that is like in good shape. You guys will find out how we sorted out later. So just spray, basically to help the light pop. I think that's what it's for. I don't even know. But anyway, I think, okay, so I just sprayed. So yeah, my dad actually helped me fix the lamp holders because I didn't know about wire and stuff. So he made a hole at the two sides and fixed the lamp holders. Yeah, this is the second side. Then he fixed it, just connect the wires. Yep. Then he connected the wire because I wanted to like extend it and like make to the socket when I want to use it. So he added wire to it, and then I bought, what's it called? I bought is this socket that is called? Actually, I bought for 150. You people see what I'm talking about. It's comment below. I don't even know any wire thing. That's my dad. He doesn't even care. I don't even know anything related to this wire or whatever. But sure, he did that. Thank you, Dad. Tight, yeah, to like keep it safe. So I did not use, or I don't have okay, then I fixed the bulb. That's me fixing the bulb. Of course. I fixed it by the two sides. Yeah, so I said the umbrella wasn't good because the tops were like removing. I don't even understand, so I used tape, but that did not work well. So we came up with another idea to take the top of other old umbrellas and tack it with needle, which makes sense. Yup. Guys, okay, this is what I'm talking about. Please, what's the name? Fuse now. Abi? I think so. I bought that for 150, and this is the only thing I spent money on, guys. I'm going to tell you the story later. So the next thing I did was to use a white cloth, white fabric. White fabric serves as diffuser to cover the light so it's not like too much. So I had to sew it round. I first used the flamingo pins to make. I first used the flamingo pins to try to make marks on where I'm going to pass through, where I'm going to sew. Wow, English. Where I'm going to sew. Oh my god. I used the flamingo pins to tack where I was going to pass the needle and thread. Then after that, I cut the sides. Please, I'm not using. Please neglect how that girl looks like, and the pictures on the wardrobe. Please neglect. Thank you. Do as if you not see it. They are throwback pictures. So yeah, after doing that, next is the. After that, I took needle and thread. You can use gum actually to like make the fabric stick, but I did something stronger because I don't think that gum would have made it like stay so well. So I used the needle and thread. I doubled it, then sewed it around. This took long. Like, yes, this took long. I was standing. So after sewing it round, I really didn't like the top of the umbrella. I wanted to change it, so I added a black fabric to it, and the end result, voila, my life. This is it. Oops. So I don't have, ouch, I didn't make a stand. You can actually add a stand to it. You can use the mic stand, pipe, whatever you want to use to like hold it to stand. So I didn't make a stand to it, but I can put a stand whenever I feel like. Yeah, so what I just did, I created like this, I made a string kind of thing that can make it stay if I hang it somewhere. So yeah, okay, that's how I made my softbox. So if you make yours, don't forget to tag me, share the video to me. You can use cardboard or like carton for. You don't need to use umbrella, but I don't want to start measuring how the box will look like, so that's why I just use an umbrella. What else? That's why I used an umbrella. What else? Yeah, you can use a foil instead of spray paint, and yeah, I think that's it. So guys, I actually did not spend in time in all this. I would have, when I calculate everything, I'll be using up to 5,000 naira, I think. And yeah, I'm using up to 5,000 naira, but I did not pay money for these things that I used. I just went around the house and found them, and the next day, that was Saturday yesterday, I was supposed to go get these things, but I just had to take time. I'm like, I have to find these things at home. Like, we have stuff around the house, and I found them. The only thing that I bought was 150 naira. That's the fuse kind of, yeah. But mom said I'll still pay for a fabric shop, so pray with me that she doesn't collect money. Yeah, that's all guys, I believe. Yeah, that's all. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below what you think about this video, and what you think I can do, or what you want me to do, what you want to see from me. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, everybody, just everybody. Thank you so much. See you in my next video, and if you've not watched the other video, do watch the other videos. Get to watch the other videos. If you've not watched the other videos, share this video to your mom, your dad, your sibling, your sister, every single person. See you in my next video. Bye.
Good morning, my neighbor. How are you doing? Are you feeling okay?